Taizhou Rich Medical Products Co., Limited, was founded in 2003. Commitment to the production, manufacturing, and export of medical products, spanning an area of 20,000 square meters. Nearly 5,000 square meter class 100,000 dust-free workshop. An ethylene oxide sterilization workshop is also in operation. Its product portfolio encompasses the main categories: medical masks, medical dressing kits, absorbent cotton products, and medical plastic products. The company has including CE, GOTS, along with ISO 13485 and ISO 11135 certifications. As a result, its products are exported to over 110 countries worldwide.